Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, have an order at 52.50 here for a put option, that is. I am doing options. If you don't know what I mean by that, let me know in the comment section. Just put guide, please, or option guide, and I'll link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through how all this works. Don't let options intimidate you. They can be made very complicated, but they don't have to be, and I approach them and use them in a more simplified way. So if that's how you like to approach things in more straightforward, simplified ways, then I'm confident that guide can help you out. So I will pause for now, but I'll keep a close eye on. But like I said, I'm looking here at 52.50, so the number, let me bring that up. The number that I'm watching is this one right here. So I'm not close right now because, again, I want to get filled at 52.50. If I do get filled, that white will change to green. But as you can see, it's just continuing to drop. So I'm going to just go ahead and cancel that out. So, all right, I will pause though, but I'll keep an eye on things. All right, going to go for put here at 49. Yeah, I'm going to cancel it out now at this point. Not quite happening in the amount of time that I wanted it to. So, all right, I'll pause. All right, going to go for a call here at 52.50. I'm going to cancel it. I actually want to see how the 2-minute closes first. And then I'll put that one back in there. 2-minute is off screen. What we're looking at right here is the 1-minute SPY time frame. And on my screen up over here, you just can't see it. I have the 2-minute, so I'm going to let the 2-minute finish with the candle. Okay, I will pause. All right, going to throw an order out there at 52. That 2-minute candle did close. In at 52 for a call. See what it wants to do. Do not like how it's putzing around. So just had to take $20 there. Might still work out, but if you scroll back, you'll notice that I would have been okay at this point, but was not as quite of a good as an entry point as what I thought it would be. But I can always reposition. I'd be interested down here around 476.75. So let's throw an order out there at 47.50 just in case that thing takes a plunge. So yeah, I mean, that trade I still made money on, but it was essentially still a failed trade. So those happen sometimes. I will pause. Have an order at 50.50 here for a call. I'm going to go ahead and cancel it out at this point. Just more so down to that area there. Which puts us right around, I think, 47.50. So throw that order out there. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna go for, yeah, put here at 47.50. Well, I did not expect that to be so difficult. How did I not get filled right away is my question. I guess these spreads are bigger, so fair enough. I was thinking that was going to be an instant fill there, but did not happen, so that has me a bit worried. So I'm going to play it a little conservative here. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 52.50 here for a call. Well, my entry point was slightly off. I wanted in at that purple line there, but didn't quite have the option order at the right spot. So go down to that area now, around 90. So yeah, about 49.50 here. There we go. All right, we'll see if we can drop down to that blue line. Have an order at 51.50 for a call. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Okay, I'm at 51.50 here. Well, for a second, I was on the best bid. I'll pause. Okay, I'm on the best. Well, was again. Scroll back, you'll see 51.50 was sitting there. Best bid being that part right there. It was showing as 51.50. But just because 51.50 shows up there doesn't mean anything. That has got to change to green. That's why I'm just watching that number right there. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 50.50 here for a put. I'm going to go to 50 now. Oh, it's getting close. And you know what number I'm watching? There I'm on best bid. In at 50.50. Out for $50. There we go. So Clay, why are you so picky? Why do you keep canceling? Why do you keep changing? Because if you do this right, then you will get very, very fast trades like you just saw there. That was literally $50. And I don't know, was that even 2 seconds? I'm not sure if it was even 2 seconds, but all right, there we go. I'll go ahead and pause. Let's see if I can get another one. Have an order at 26.50 here. In at 26.50 for a put. And out for another nice little $50 move. And, you know, I get it. Nothing is perfect. Maybe some people think they're a joke, but I mean, check that out. You saw that red line. You saw where I got filled. And I mean, our chart's perfect. No, that's not my claim. Our chart's useful, even if you just want to call this right there a self-fulfilling prophecy. That's fine. Call it a self-fulfilling prophecy. So let's say that the only reason why charts exist, or excuse me, why charts work is because of self-fulfilling prophecies. Okay, well, that you conceded that self-fulfilling prophecies exist. So if there are self-fulfilling prophecies that do exist, and isn't it at least valid to want to know what those self-fulfilling prophecies may be so that you can also benefit from those things that you just conceded do exist? So that's a classic example there. And, you know, it caught it live. You saw that red line there. That was not me putting it into play after, you know, in hindsight, like a textbook would or something like that. Well, they will show you all the perfect situations. No, that was there. You saw the price get rejected right off of it and worked out just fine. So a really good classic example there of the power of charts. And I kid you not, another opportunity to scalp right there. Check it out as I speak. Could have played it again. I did not. In hindsight, shame on me. But right there again, look at that. Look where the price just happened to get rejected from. Right at that red line. You can't make this stuff up. No fancy editing. You've seen that line in there since before before this movement on the chart even existed. So once again, right there was an opportunity at a scalp. And if this thing rolls back over, then, maybe even a bigger trade. We are approaching it again. Now I'm looking for a fake break of this line. So I think that it's probably going to break now. And I hope to get filled up around that blue line there. But I could be wrong. Maybe this trend line just continues to hold strong. Maybe there's other traders out there. Not maybe. There definitely are other traders out there. Look at that. Rejected from it again. So there's other traders out there that are, so there's a third scalp I could have had. So that trend line should have been, well, granted, I'm judging myself in hindsight now, but that very realistically could have been worth $150. Because if I would have just done a very modest $50 sniper scalp, that was for sure 3 of them that would have happened. So is it going to get broken again? Now, yes, well, Clay, the price is actually a little bit above there. Fair enough. Is it always exactly precisely the level? No, it's not always exactly precisely the level, but there are range elements within it. Okay, looking like it finally is attempting to break through, but I do have an order at 52.50. Actually, more that I see. Let's make that 52 instead. But I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 48.50. Wow, I was on best bid for a split second. Wasn't sure if I don't know if the video caught it, but I'll keep it out there at 48.50. But I will pause for now. Well, never mind on that one. I'll go ahead and cancel it out. Have an order at 54 here for a put. Got close for a second. And still relatively close. Let's try 53.70 now. I will pause. I'm at 53.50, in at 53.50 for a put. And in at 53.50. And out for $50. Very good. I will go. I hit record, right? I did hit record. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Whoop, I got filled there at 49.50. Holy smokes, that was fast. I captured the exit point, but you'll have to scroll back and you'll see that I had a green order there, and then right there, there was a white order that showed up just for a second, and then it came down. And yeah, you guessed it, that yellow line is where I was aiming to get in. So once again, the second, what's the title of this video going to be? An argument for charts, an argument to use charts. I'll have to think about that, but it's something about an argument to use charts, because wow, once again, beautiful move. And that yellow line, I guess, well, no, you'll just have to trust me. The red line was there. I promise you the yellow line is there. In fact, I've done videos on where that yellow line comes from. So if you go through the playlist, you'll see that video on where that yellow line is coming from. And again, a classic example of that right there, leading to a profitable trade. So another quick one there, another $50 sniper. And let's see what else I can find. I'm actually going to go ahead and call it good. So they kind of added up relatively quickly. I didn't realize, but yeah, that was my 5th trade. So 5 trades. And definitely a good argument here to use technical charts. And just a couple of disclaimers as always. My claim is not that they're a perfect tool. Obviously not. I think it was the very first trade of the day, if I remember right. It didn't quite work out. Now, it wasn't a losing trade, but charts kind of led me astray a little bit there. So that's why risk management is so important. That's why rules are so important, because there is no holy grail. So to reiterate, my claim is not that charts, technical analysis is a holy grail, is a magic pill. My claim is that they do work, and they're worth at least having as a consideration tool as you form strategies and form trade plans. But that's all I have for you. So if you enjoy these, if you use charts, I don't know, say charts, or I love charts, or give me a heart down in the comment section if you already use charts. Whoa, 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 what happened? Whoa, look at that. What time is it? 12:30. No, that's totally random. Yeah. Wow. Well, that was kind of cool to catch on video there. Maybe it might just be afternoon low volume volatility. But anyways, wow, quite the spike there. But anyways, like I said, charts are a great tool. I'll turn that into a quick plug. If you do want to learn more, you can always hang out with a bunch of chart traders in my community at claytrader.com. But like I said, just in general, I hope you consider to use charts because, yeah, they are definitely a valuable tool. So thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.